Alright, I haven't done a video in a while, so I figured I'd just go ahead and do this just for, before, like a before and after video. This here is going to be, it's going to be about the bad ignition switch, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you the slow window motor. Now, like I said, it's not, it still works, but it's slow. But it's going to be a before and after, so. Okay, here's the slow motor. So it goes down pretty fast. Then it goes up real slow. Okay, so now the next video you see is going to go up and down real quick, and then this is my bad ignition switch here. See how it doesn't turn on? If I can show you there. Now, if you type in ignition switch in YouTube, I think you see a guy with he has like a Regal or some sort of Buick or something like that. He has a bad ignition switch, and I guess his car does the same thing mine's doing. So the only way to bypass that is we rigged it up to a button. Whoops. So the next time you see this video, like I said, this should go, whoops, well, you guys get the point. This window should go up and down faster, and I should be able to turn this over and it should start. So I just figured I'd make a before and after video. And and if you're kind of confused on the ignition switch, I actually have it right here. It's by standard ignition. This is what it kind of looks like for all the, I guess the 97 to 03 Grand Prix guys. This is what it looks like. I mean, I'm sure if you look it up on the computer, it'll come up. That's what it looks like. So I figured I'd just go ahead and make this before and after video, just for some shits and giggles. All right, thanks for looking at my video. Since you're just browsing around YouTube. So.